Is your WhatsApp storage almost full? In this video, I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp storage is full problem quickly and safely. Let's get started. Go to WhatsApp and here a notification is appeared. Device storage is full. Click on three dot menu icon on upper right corner. Then click on settings. Scroll down. Click on storage and data. Click on manage storage. 1.7 GB is used. Click on larger than 5 MB files. Click on select all. Then click on delete icon. In confirmation pop-up menu, click on delete. Larger than 5 MB items are cleared. Now go back. Again, click on forwarded many times file. Then click on select all. Click on delete icon. In pop-up menu, click on delete and forwarded many time items cleared. This is the easiest way to clear storage full problem in WhatsApp. That's it.